Think of weight loss as a game. The thought of weight loss can be scary and uncomfortable. This is because maybe you've tried and failed, and this has been a cycle on repeat more than you'd like. Weight loss doesn't have to be intimidating, but also reframe how you can think about weight loss to make it fun, like a game. Think of weight loss as a game of strategic moves and mental strategy, like Battleship. You know that game where you sink the battleship on the board? I played this game all the time with my brother and my cousins growing up. It's super fun. Does that bring back memories? Let me show you how healthy weight loss can be like Battleship. The basics to win in weight loss is calorie deficit. The basics to win in Battleship is sink the opponent's ships. Of course, it's more complicated than that for both, because both require strategy. The strategic moves are the following in Battleship. Plan where to place your ships so they aren't predictable by your opponent, i.e. not letting them be too close together. Initially, you cover as much ground as possible with the shots you give to your opponent. You don't shoot right beside each other, in other words. Using your grid strategically as a tool to mark where you've shot and where you've been successful. And using the problem-solving skills to see where the opponent's ships are to fire the right shots to win. While the strategic moves are the following for weight loss. Planning your meals and snacks throughout the day for maximum satiety and also to be at a calorie deficit. Initially, you're testing out the right way of eating that works for you and your lifestyle. And you're using a food journal as a tool to identify what foods work for you and how the foods make you feel. And you're using problem-solving skills to see how you can make meal planning better and food choices to reach your goal. And the mental strategy for both weight loss and Battleship are the following: determination, strategic trial and error, and problem solving to make things work and to get to your main goal. It takes resiliency, but you are in charge of planning and the shots you take to get to your end goal. It doesn't have to be a struggle because it can be fun and exciting. Do you see how weight loss and board games like Battleship can be viewed similarly? Use this reframe to view healthy, lasting weight loss as fun and exciting. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennrd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes for healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.